Hello, I'm Sabrina, aka Miss Perfect Credit, and I'm sharing with you the steps to get your free FICO 8 credit score with Experian. I went to www.experian.com and found that you can actually get your FICO 8 credit score for free, along with your free Experian credit report. Also, you can see that no credit card is required, so you don't have to worry about a charge sneaking up on you. Let me pause for a quick disclaimer. Each screen can look different as they can update their website anytime. They can also stop providing this information for free. I am not an employee or owner of Experian, so I cannot control what they are doing. Experiences shared are not guaranteed to be your experience. The links provided, made available to you, are intended to help you access support, and we do not guarantee the information on their website to be accurate. Okay, now that the disclaimer is done, you will click on Get Your Free Credit Report and FICO Score. The next screen is the Welcome, Let's Get You Set Up screen. I love that it only requests the last 4 digits of your Social Security number. Then you enter your phone number. Don't forget to review the Terms of Use Agreement and privacy policies and click Get Started. Then they will send you a text with a code to your cell phone. Warning, it expires in 5 minutes, so make sure you have your phone nearby. Then it shows, here's what we found. Your information will be displayed. Make sure it's correct, and then you create a password. Complete the rest of the form, review the Terms of Use Agreement and privacy policies, and click Create Your Account if everything looks good and you agree. Here's a side note. It's possible that you already have an account, and it will let you know. If so, click the Sign In or Log In option. If you don't remember your password, click Forgot Password. Once you log in, you will be presented with the option to upgrade your account. You can upgrade if you want, or just scroll down and you will see No, Keep My Current Membership. All right, let's keep going. After your account is created, it's time for you to confirm your identity. I recommend you have your bills in front of you because you have 5 minutes to answer the questions based on your credit report to verify that it's you. I actually have a bill list all on one sheet, and if you've taken my 3-day credit challenge before, there's one in your workbook. Keep in mind, if you don't see the right answer, none of the above is the right answer. So don't guess. For me, I actually had a question about my license plate, so I had to run to my garage to confirm. So you never know what questions are being asked. It's about your security, so don't let this frustrate you. Remain calm. These are questions you should know. And remember, it's all about your security. And some benefits that I wanted to point out. You'll see them on some of the screens. Lots of free stuff here. On check mark number 3, it says report and score refreshed every 30 days on sign-in. So make sure you sign in every 30 days to get your updated score and report. It even says at the bottom, always free, no impact to your score. That's it. This is your free way to get your FICO 8 credit score. There's other ways to get this information, but usually there's a charge. I'll be posting some of the other ways so that you can make a decision on your own. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. If this video was beneficial to you, make sure you click the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. Also share with others. It's important that we all know our credit score and what's in our credit reports. Thanks for watching, and remember, excellent credit has its perks.